Hi everyone. We'll start in a minute. Just give me a second.
Yeah, good morning, Rajesh.
Just a second. Just a second. We'll start. Okay, go ahead, guys.
Yes, Rajesh. Yeah, here, Hari.
Hi.
So I'm sharing my screen.
Go ahead.
Yes, Rajeshwar, are you able to see my screen?
Yep.
Yes, Rajeshwar, actually, my doubt is that this is the landing page, actually. And we have the three dashboards. This is the profitability overview and earnings and revenue. So when I click, that will goes to the dashboard. The go to sheet action link I kept. But in the landing page, I want when I over here, no, the above whatever the text is there, no, it shows profitability. That will be changed based on this. If I come to here over the above text will be changed based on this. How we can do that?
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay. Thanks.
So I'll not be telling about how. Anyways, the navigation is happening, right? I'll not focus on that. I'll just focus on the existing one. Just okay. So you are saying there is one here, and it is saying click for dash one. Pardon my spelling, duplicate, and this is for click for a dash. Now here you have your click for a dash one in here, and the same way you have click for a dash two in here. Now I'm opening another sheet, and here I'm also, let me write one calculation. Let me create a parameter. I think I already have a parameter. Let me create the calculation. If parameter 2 is equal to click for dash 1, then info about dash 1. Okay. Let me duplicate this. Edit info about dash 2. Now here I am writing. Oh, wait. I need to write this. Edit. I will shift. Now this I'm putting in here. Okay. I'm coming to dashboard. I have dragged sheet 2, I have dragged sheet 3, and sheet 4 in the top. Now dashboard actions, change parameter, sheet 2, parameter to source field calculation. Added. Wait. This is now again change parameter sheet 3 parameter 2 calculation. Okay. As you see, let me take this.
Yes, yes.
As you see, when I hover this, okay, I can leave this over. This sheet 2. This. Okay, the more time I sheet 2. This field is calculation 8. Okay. Now this is sheet 2. Once I hover over this, that changed, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I want this.
Okay, guys. Doubts.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Rajesh.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, any other doubts? Others?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Hi.
Can I share my screen?
Go ahead. Just a moment. Yeah, go ahead.
So I have a list of customer order ID details and the detailed information about the custom order ID.
Okay.
So whenever I click on this download the button, so it should be get downloaded in PDF format of this detailed information.
Download in PDF.
Yeah. So whenever I click on this list of order, for example, this order ID, so I need to get this detailed information about the particular order ID in PDF format.
That I have to check. Go downloading into PDF, Excel, all that. Because we never had a requirement for that, because in our company there is an inbuilt extension to download it in a Google Sheet. So that is the reason till date I never came across this. I'll look into this. I'll find whatever I can, and if I can resolve, I'll present it on Monday. Okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys. Any other doubts?
Hi. Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Rajesh, when I download my dashboard, there one field is coming, but that field is not in that worksheet. So I go to data source and I check that field may be hide or unhide, but there also it is not hide, but still I don't want that field in that worksheet while downloading, but still it is coming. How can I remove it?
I'm not sure. If I look at without looking at that field, at least if you can share a screenshot, then we can look at that and see. Because why is that field generating? Actually speaking, without you creating any field, Tableau normally doesn't generate any field on its own, unless until some default fields like count of the rows, latitudes, longitudes, and all measure values and measurements are the default fields that Tableau generates automatically. But other than that, if it is showing you some other field, what is that field? What is the calculation?
Sequence number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that.
Pardon?
Sequence, numeric sequence.
Numeric sequence. I don't think there is any. What is the calculation in that? In the field, what is the calculation?
Calculation. I will share the screenshot to you, Rajesh.
You share?
Yeah. Yes.
Where?
I have your number. I share to you on your WhatsApp. Tomorrow we'll discuss on this.
Okay, we can. But yeah. You shared on 91213?
Yes.
Just
yeah. Okay.
Vicky, right? Is it Vicky?
No. Morning, sir.
Money Leo. What's your name? Vicky, right?
Yeah, Vicky Mohan.
No. Someone said that they sent me some message.
Sir?
Okay, doesn't matter. We'll discuss that one. Yeah, go ahead with your doubt.
So actually today morning I'm downloading my Tableau app, sir, but it's not installing.
It is not?
It's not installing. It was not
Which one?
installed.
Tableau desktop?
Yeah, Tableau desktop.
What is the error that it is saying?
Sir, can I share my screen?
Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this is my Tableau app. Sir,
It is opening, right?
something like
Yeah,
this.
you must register to continue. You need a license, right?
But it's only 14 days trial, sir.
Yeah, if you want to have a student, if you are a student or there is any student who is above 16 years in your circle, get their ID card and let me share my screen.
So,
Yeah, otherwise download Tableau public, right? See,
Tableau public, sir.
whatever I am using, I am presenting my screen. See, whatever I am doing here, this is Tableau public. This is given by Tableau for free. You can go there and download Tableau public. Tableau public. Oh, yes, this Yahoo search is pathetic. So you can download directly the Yahoo public. Sorry, Tableau public. What is this?
Okay.
Where is that? I think it's somewhere. Download that. Yeah. So there you can. Yeah, try now, I think. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the interface might have changed a bit. From here, you can download Tableau Public, and then you can start using. Did it really start download? Yeah. If you fill this, somewhere it is missing. You can download Tableau Public. I don't know where that is gone. And again, if you want to get a student license for in this Tableau for students.
Now, what is product key code, sir? Product key.
That is what you need to get that key. If you are a student, if you fill this form with the ID and all, Tableau will mail you that for that key for product key for 1 year. Okay, you can use that. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Hi, Rajesh.
Hi.
Yeah, actually, will you share the screen for like Tableau?
Just a moment. Yeah, go ahead.
So will you add? Actually, I don't want to share it from your report, your Tableau report.
Okay.
Will you add like 2, 3 columns like customer name and 2 more other columns?
Okay.
So for this scenario, actually, what I want to, for the city, like any one of the city, like second one, SCATTAV, Seattle, like for that city, actually, I want a particular row to be in different color.
Particular?
Row in different color.
This total row.
Yes, entire row.
Entire row, it's not possible. No. You can color here in this part, but not in here.
Okay.
No, they. Pardon?
Or without, can we do other thing? Can we do it on a single city column color, like without putting in like marks card?
I didn't get you. You want a city color to be different.
Yeah, like only one particular city, like
Yes,
that I am.
there is one other thing, right? Yesterday we discussed something like this. So here, if you want, I converting this into attribute. After converting this into attribute, yes, and that in color as well. Shift, change it to control. Yeah. I can take this as a square. Take this as text, where I can aligning this is a problem. Now here, if you want, you can edit all these colors to be one. All these colors, you can take them as
Apart from this, is there any way to write any
no, see, the
conditional
dimensional coloring is not possible. That is the problem with Tableau.
Okay.
Because it doesn't give any, like individual level coloring is not possible. If you want, you can change the backend and you can change the shading and you can change it, but individual color changing is not possible. You can do so in this dimensional part.
Okay.
Now, if you see, I can here this change. Yeah, now actually you did not even have all that. Here you can change it. Right?
Yeah, I got it. Actually, I have implemented this type same actually.
Otherwise, not possible.
Okay. Okay, thank you then.
Okay, any other doubt? Yeah, go ahead.
I have a doubt. It's like my workplace scenario. So I have a situation like I have a category and subcategory, okay, as a dimension. and measures. I have like the sales, profit, and quantity.
Okay.
Okay. So when I click on sales column, okay, can you open the Tableau sheet so that I can ask you to do that? It'll be easy for us. New sheet. Can you drag category and subcategory also?
Okay.
And in columns, sales, profits.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay. So I need to apply action here. So when user clicked on only sales column, any value on the sales column, then only it have to go to another sheet and that particular sales related data should display. If I click on profit, it should not affect. Only on sales column it should affect.
So here you are saying here in the other dashboard, what do you have?
Let's say order ID and sales.
So what is it that you want to affect? If I am clicking on some this one.
Yeah. So that particular appliances, there is 1,07,000, right? That particular amount order details should display in second sheet only.
For that, you can directly go for a filter action, right?
Okay.
Sheet is this sheet. If you aggregate all the values, 1,053, 1,075.
Okay. Okay. So only but that appliances, okay, showing here.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I click on profit, it won't affect, no?
Oh no, it will. It will only show sales value. It will not show. Oh, you want like if someone is clicking on sales, only that should affect, and someone is clicking on profit, it should not affect.
Yes, exactly.
Ah. Okay. No, calculation can be. But the problem is navigating.
Okay.
So someone clicks on profit, and if he comes here and he doesn't see any change in the value, is that okay?
No, Ashwar. Profit should not affect.
No, profit.
Only sales.
Okay, profit should not affect. The problem here is we can control what values are displaying here, but the
Okay.
problem is when you give a filter action is applied at the whole sheet level. So then getting only one is going to be a problem. Only affecting sales but not profit is going to be a problem. Then
Okay.
now we have to define a way where clicking in here will initiate the navigation, but clicking in here will not. But of all the actions that we don't have such option. Clicking on profit. I how many rows do you have in your sheet? Or let me put it this way: is your sheet entire view or fit width?
It is like enter view only, you can say, because
small
so
number
sheet
of
6,
rows. How many rows do you
Num-
have in that?
number of rows, I can say hardly 4 or 5 as of now. Okay.
But in production, in real time, how many rows you might be having?
That I am not sure, Rajesh, but it may be.
Because what I suggest is, if such is the case, I suggest appending the sheet. Like this create two sheets and append this sheet in the dashboard, so that the action that is applied is in this sales, and on profit the action is not applied. These two are from two different sheets. Then yes.
So let me understand. You want me to put two different sheets?
Yeah, two different sheets. Now it goes like this. Now when you come here, 6, it looks like a same table, but this is another. So when you are looking at the dashboard level, it doesn't give any difference. Now you can apply action filters on this and not on this sheet, so that when someone clicks in here, it will get rerouted.
Okay. We have to break it down to two sheets.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
But
I will try
the problem now, the reason I asked you is, the problem here is, if this is more, like in here I am bringing supposedly out. In here also I am bringing automatically. Now the problem here is, both will get their individual scroll bars.
Okay.
If both the number of values are high. So that is where you have to look, because now it is not the same, right? It is not the same. It is not showing you the same value. Here if I come, it is showing office supplies, but this is still showing you furniture values.
Okay.
So that is
so
the
only
problem.
two scroll bars will be there. Two different scroll bars will come. Okay.
Yeah, two different scroll bars. Yes.
Okay, but in a single sheet it is not possible now, Aishwar, at any
single sheet not possible. I'm looking at all the possible ways. See, the problem here is not controlling the values. The problem here is the navigation bit from one sheet to or one dashboard to other dashboard. It happens only in some ways, which is go to sheet. I don't think that go to in actions there is go to sheet here. In your actions you have go to sheet, where you can describe to which sheet it should go. But here the problem is, go to sheet will work at the sheet level. Again the filter action also will work at the sheet level. And there is another way called as navigation, but the problem is navigation will help on that. When you click on that button, it will happen. So the problem is navigating from here. There is no way to take you to the other dashboard.
Okay.
That is the problem. Otherwise, we can control the values using set actions, parameter actions, and everything. We can control the values, but taking you to that dashboard is the problem. Right? This movement, the movement when you click on this movement, right? That is not possible. Okay.
I'll try. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hi Raimati.
Hi.
Yeah, I have one requirement. I want to show column wise category after subcategory in the row wise region for sales. If you click that sales amount, It's like an action filter. It has to show for that total value, it has to describe the category and subcategory in the next sheet.
Okay, wait. So you are saying here, what is the sheet? What do you have in here?
Column wise, category, subcategory.
Category, columns.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, now row wise region.
Okay.
Now sales.
Okay.
In the next sheet,
Okay.
you can apply all the dimension and for sales. I just want to, yeah, like this.
Okay. What is the
Okay.
requirement?
So if you apply grand total here, column is total, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you click this grand total, any of the business or that share, all the things. If you click any of the amount, it has to display that. For that
Here.
amount, it has to display in the next sheet. What are
This
the order
part,
IDs for sales?
only this part. These should not be. These should not have any
Yes.
effect. Now the
Yes.
same problem. Now you cannot control only at the sheet level, like only at the particular part of the sheet.
Okay.
Now the problem is you can apply the filter action, but the problem is when you click on any of it, it will get diverted. Now here, whatever values you want, you can show. Like regarding this 1114880, you can get. Because
Yeah,
if I
if you
restrict,
click that 114880, for that value, it has to show that sheet 10.
yeah, I am saying
Yeah.
that, but anywhere he clicks in here, you'll see this 114880.
Okay.
Anywhere in here.
Okay. So only total is not possible.
Only
right?
total is not possible. That is what even the previous doubt is about.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Raymond.
Hi.
So I need to update the dashboard with new manager and employee details. But the data is contains in the different table, which is not there in the Tableau dashboard. So I will join with the existing table. So based on the employee ID, and also is there I need to check whether all the employees or managers are present in the new database, new table. So what are the previously existing managers and employees are there? Like that, I have to check. I have to do any prerequisites before doing that one.
First thing what I'll ask is, in the new table, is it one record per employee?
Yes.
Then you will not get any extra records. That is first thing. Second thing, yes, you need to check whether every employee in this table is having an employee in that table. And if it is not, are you going to get any error? No. But what happens, whatever the employees that are present in your left table, which is actually present in your dashboard, and whatever the column, whatever the employees that are not present in your right table, those managers will not get displayed. That's it. That is the only problem. But to identify it, don't take an inner join, take left outer join, because it will give you matching unmatched values in your left table as well.
So left join means left table will be
Dashboard
new table, right?
Dashboard table.
Sorry.
Dashboard table, whatever the table that is present in the dashboard.
Okay, that's why. New data, latest data contains in the new table that is not there anywhere in the dashboard right now.
That is what I'm saying. That one. Now, whenever you bring two fields together, right? Then there is a type of join right here. The type of join that you supply, give it as left. The reason being, Now here you are only seeing 100, right? Because only 100 values are matching. No, not this. Let me take.
So actually, I need to do not at the Tableau level. I need to do at the database level. This one.
Then even there, go for a left outer join. This
Yeah.
is the table that is existing in your dashboard, and this is your new table.
So then I will not get the any new managers or new employees who are recently joined or like that, right? Those records I will not get, right?
Now your requirement is to match this one with this one, or you have
No. I want to showcase the latest data.
Again, see, now in your dashboard, you have details of the employees.
Yes.
Now here you are creating another table with the employee name and manager. Right? But whatever is existing here, if these employees which are not present in here and are present in here, they will not come in here, right? In this table, you will not.
Yeah, definitely.
Right? So if you want to show employee from this table, if you want to replace wherever employee ID that is being used in here, if you want to replace that with this, then you can go ahead and do that. Then you will get all the new employees as well.
Yeah, so it is like that only, right? I didn't say anything like that. We want only that particular managers or employees. They are asking, we want to see the latest data in that one. Then I have to showcase the new managers and new employees as well, right? So because they also perform some actions and some activities in the company.
My question is, here you are getting only employee and manager, right? Here there are 100 other columns here. I have all these columns. Now for all these columns, even if you bring a new employee from here, in this table, all those rows will be nulls.
Yes. Yeah.
Then obviously even in your dashboard, wherever if I create my dashboard using all these dimensions, right? My output for this employee that is present in here and not present in here, my total dashboard will be null, right? You got the point?
Okay. Yeah, I got the point. So I have to check that one, right? Whether the latest table contains all the previously managers.
This table should contain all the employees that are present in your latest table.
Yeah.
Then only you will get all the values of the employees. Otherwise, if an employee is present in here in the new table and that employee detail is not present in the old table, then for all these dimensions you will get null, right?
You are saying other columns. Okay, other columns.
Yeah, obviously dashboard is made of. Now only employee ID manager doesn't make your dashboard, right?
No. Even the new table also contains the other columns as well.
Then why don't you replace this with that? I'm still not getting.
No. Actually, in the previous table, there are some more columns. Some more additional columns are there.
Yeah, I'm talking about those columns which are not present in this table but are present in this table. For those, you'll get null for the employees that are present in here and not present in here.
Okay. So I will do the left join. That's not a problem. So if they question like, so we didn't see some of the managers and newly joined managers, then at that time?
No, then go for full outer.
Full outer join.
Yeah. Because it will give you unmatched value records from this and unmatched records from this as well.
Okay. And also I need to do any filter out the duplicates as well. I need to do.
When you are joining, you will not get any duplicates. That is the first question that I asked is, are there in this table, there is one record per employee or not? Right? If there is one record per employee, there is no point of duplication.
No, it is employee on the basis of employee ID only. But I seen that one, there are some duplicates are there. When I check the distinct values, there are some duplicates are there.
The data will get exploded. So make sure you will have only one record per employee. Remove the duplicates.
Okay. Then I have to remove the duplicates and after that I have to join.
Yes.
Okay. That's it, right? Is there any other thing, any other checks also I need to do?
That depends on the data. We cannot say that.
Okay.
See, the thing is, if there is no duplicates in here, what happens is whatever records are in table present in this table plus the new records that are present in this table, that will be the count. As the number of duplicates increases, the number of records in here also will get increased, because for every duplication a new record is added in a new table when you created due to join. So first, if you address the duplicate, then yes, there is no filtering option that is required. Now, how do you use the columns that are present in here and in here is again dependent on your dashboard and its requirements. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, hi Radha.
Okay.
Hi.
Yeah, Mr. Ramendra Babu. Yeah, so we have in dashboard we have 5 sheets. So by clicking a single, so I want to do format by clicking single selection. Can I do that? Is there any?
You want to do formatting using single selection?
I mean, if once I format at a time.
I didn't
So
get
there is. So whenever we want to format one sheet to another sheet, we have copy the formatting option.
Yes.
So like that in dashboard we are having 5 sheets.
Okay.
So if I want to format all 5 sheets using one sheet, so I want to put the all format to remaining sheets. One sheet is already formatted. So remaining sheets I need to put by clicking the single select. Like
no,
copy.
single selection is not possible. 5 sheets single selection is not possible. Let me check. Wait, I have a thought system. Supposedly, I'm just doing copy formatting here. I'm selecting couple of sheets. No. Yeah, you have paste formatting option actually. Yes, I think you can. When I'm not getting copy formatting. Not getting, but it is not getting activated. But I think for single it is getting activated for more. It should come here. I don't know why it is not. Let me do one thing. Go back in here. No, it is not getting activated. I'm not sure why, but for individual sheets you are getting. Okay?
Yeah, individual we can do. So, but they need at a time.
No, I'm not getting any. Let's see here. The option is there, but it is grayed out. I have to research why that is grayed out. But the option is there to paste format. But why are we not getting that? I don't know. Okay?
Yeah.
Hi, sir. So I have two questions. So the first one is, so I have a requirement that whatever the data I'm getting is like today's data, okay? But whatever the business uses, they don't want to use the today's date. So whatever they want to see in the dashboard is the yesterday's date. So is there a way
what they
in
want to use
Tableau-
dashboard is which date?
So there is a metric, okay? So in the backend, I'm getting today's value also. But the business people, they don't want to see today's value. They want to see yesterday's value only. That metric.
Okay.
So is there a way we can avoid in the backend? We can change it because it is already in the production. So they don't want to go with again changes in the backend. So that's why. So is there a way we can do it in Tableau to avoid today's date, but tomorrow we have to see the yesterday's date.
Yeah, that is possible, right? Yeah, tomorrow they should be seeing today's date, right?
Yes. So for example, sir, today is 18th, right? today is 18th. Okay, but the metric we are seeing in the dashboard is 18th data, but they don't want to see 18th data, they want to see 17th data. And also when they are in 19th, they want to see 18th data.
Yeah, you are seeing my dashboard, you are able to see my screen?
Yes.
This calculation will help you, right? Your date field less than today.
Yeah, so this calculation field will help, but when you try to download the data, you can see today's data as well. So if you
I
go
think
to
you are
view
using the
data,
calculation called today somewhere.
yeah, in metric we can see the HRS data, sir. So that is okay. But if they try to download the data, in the data itself, they are seeing today's data.
Yeah, that is what. When you are saying like in your dashboard, you might be having something like this, right? This is showing something like this, right?
Yes.
So here you can directly go for get the previous list data.
Okay, so if they want to try to download the data, so what I'm asking is, if you on the left side next to the search button, there are 3 lines, right? You view data option. So if you try to download the data, there you can see today's data as well. But in the metric, you cannot see
No, it
today's
is
data
not.
as we
It is
mentioned
not.
today
It
minus
is
1.
not. Wait. It is not. The reason being the calculation that I used here, right?
Yes.
Now I will make this data source filter.
Oh, applying.
So if you do that, I will not get today's table.
In the view data.
No,
What about
nowhere you will get that data.
Oh, okay, I didn't check this option, sir.
Okay.
What about tomorrow, sir? If they are on 19, they can see 18's data, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, good. So this
Can you show this again? I am not able to see it.
Pardon?
Can you show me again what process you follow?
Only added the data source filter.
Okay.
Hi sir, good morning.
Hi. Yeah.
Sorry, last question.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
So sorry. So last question. So my dashboard is ready. So it is on server. So the dashboard contains filters and table in the bottom. So when business users they try to download the data, they can see extra columns like, so I created index, I did some pagination. So when they try to download the data in the Excel, they are seeing index and pagination numbers. Is there a way, like when user download the data, they can avoid these columns? Is that possible in Tableau?
You need to how are you connecting your sheet to the download option?
So like in dashboard on the top, we can see the download option, right, sir?
Yeah. Oh, upper in the top download option. No.
Yes. On the top.
There I'm not sure you can change that. No.
So is there a way we can limit the columns when business people downloading the data?
See, downloading part I have to recheck. That is a part where I'm still there's a gray area. Let me check that and get back to you.
Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Thanks, sir.
Hi,
That's
Rajesh.
all.
Yeah. Hi.
Rajesh, this is Ravi here.
Hi, Ravi.
Yeah, Rajesh, I have implemented something like whenever I open the dashboard, it's something like the previous person who asked the same thing. So whenever I open the dashboard, it's like I need to see the data only till the current month first date.
Okay. Use date trunk, right?
Yeah, I use the date filter, but
date trunk.
How to capture that first of that particular the current month?
Date trunk. Now today, what is the current day's date? If you say today,
Okay, so this
we are getting 18th, right? That is moved to first. So if you want only data till that date, then till first or before first.
Yeah, before first. Before or equal to anything is fine. Less than or equal to anything.
This will give, add this into, someone asked how did it, add this to data source filter. Let me go here, let me bring the date, exact date and then discrete. Now I'm waiting. Let me go to data source filters, remove this. Here you are getting whole data, right? Now edit data source filters. Here I am adding calculation. 13 is that. Now I am getting only data till 31st October.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, got it. And one more question, Rajshwar. So I have something like an Excel sheet where the data exists for current week in one tab and the previous week in another tab. Now, if I want to compare the values and compare the values, like previous week data minus the current week data. So I need to do a simple join kind of thing, like I need to do.
Oh, you have it in different sheets.
No, it is the same Excel sheets, but in the Excel sheet, but in a different tab.
Yeah, you need to join. You need to join. But how will you join? You need to have.
So I have a column with an ID. So that is the only column, the unique thing.
Column with a
unique ID. So that's a unique column is name called as ID.
You need to have something which identifies individual rows. Like in a week, you will have 7 days, right?
Yes.
So you have 1 week data or every week data?
No, only the one tab is only current week data, and the another tab has only previous week data.
Then make sure you use, like, the data should be like this. Supposedly, if you are having, let me bring order date here. Let me bring order date again here, and let me take week number. And supposedly, I'm taking some random week number. Oh. Wait. Okay. Let me bring it. I'm taking previous week and previous week to that.
Current week and previous week.
Difference. Yeah, I'm taking previous week and previous week to that. Just for
okay. Okay.
Guys, 10:24. Wow. In fact, go for exact date and discrete. Now, whatever I'm saying should be present in your Excel. Here,
you can just drag in any other dimension if you want.
No, it's not about that. Whatever dimension is there, I'm not bothered about that. You need to have something like this, or Sunday, if Sunday is 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, 7, right? You need to have that. Whenever you are joining, join based on this weekday.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, you will not get it. Okay?
Okay, so if there is, even though if there is a unique, see, I have something like an ID.
Even
so
if you have unique, it should be same in both, right? Now here, this is the current week, and you have one more sheet, and in this, let me duplicate this. Just two. Right? Oh, I'm replacing this. Now here the numbers, the unique IDs might be in this sheet. It might be from 1 to 7, but here it might be from 8 to 14 or something, right? Then you cannot join,
Okay.
right? Because when you are joining, you need common values. That is why you need to have something like this. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Raj.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
I'm
Last
checking
doubt
my
is.
screen.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I'm sharing my screen. Is that visible?
Okay. Wait, just a minute.
Is that visible for you?
Yes.
Yeah. So I have two fields. Actually, this is the Excel. So one is the TA and another one is the audit conducted, not conducted, like that. Okay. So here I'm taking these two fields here. So for some of the fields it's blank. So I need these to be 0. So when I'm using
put it in ZN. Put it in ZN. That's
not
count.
working actually.
Count field 2, right? Count field 2 that is in your text. The count field 2 that is in your text.
Count field, yeah, it is.
Double click on that. Yeah, put that the whole in ZN. Come to the start.
Okay.
Okay, write ZN off. Write ZN off. Yeah, count of CND. Count of field 2. Field 2, right? That is what you have in here. Why are you using TA copy?
Sorry.
Yeah. Now put that in your text. Oh, wait. Why are you? First of all, count should give you 0 values. Why is this one? Okay, write another calculation.
Yes.
Lookup of count of field 2. Put this in there. Wrong. Okay, open that calculation. Sorry. After that, put 0. After 2 bracket, there is a there put 0, comma 0, comma 0. Now apply. Okay, put that in ZN.
Which one?
That calculation. Open the calculation for. Put the whole in ZN. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And also, I have one more doubt. Actually, say for example, in one table, I'm taking the data from the data source. In one table, the field is having 3 records, say conducted, not conducted, and inline. Okay. And in another table, I'm taking the similar field, but that is having 5 records, conducted, not conducted, inline, and something else. So, what can I do to get the other 5 fields instead of 3 if I'm using it?
Can you share me sample data on Monday so that I can look at it and I can tell you, because there are many other fields. Is there any common field that is between them?
Yeah, there is a common field available.
Then we'll look at that data on Monday and we'll see. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys.
Rajesh.
Hello, Raj.
Roger, one more doubt, just a minute. Sorry. Actually, I need the grand total of these two. So how can I, by analyzing, will I get that?
Totals. Column grand total.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Sir, one small thing.
Only for 5 minutes. My meeting is going.
Just now. I asked you, right? Old data employees table is there and new table is there. So how can I check that one, whether the new table contains all the employees of old table?
You can use the total count and you can use distinct count, right? Then you will get it.
That is fine. New table contains more number of count only, but same employees are existing in the new table or not. How can I confirm that thing?
You can do a join, do an inner join. How many employees you are getting? How many are not getting? You are not there. Because inner join will go only give you the employees that are existing in both the tables, right?
Yes, matching records will show.
Yeah, then you will know the people which are existing both the tables.
If the number is not same, then I have to check. If the number is not same, then I have to check that one, right?
Listen. It's already out of time. We have three counts here. One is the table that you are having, you have employee count there, and the new table that you have there, you have employee count. And when you do an inner join, you will get an employee count. So if this count in both the tables will tell you which are common. If whatever are missing, you have to identify them. Okay.
That thing, how can I identify?
Do a left outer join and rotate right out. When you do left outer join, you will get all the employees that are missing in your right table, left table. If you do a right outer join, you will get all the employees that are missing in your right table.
Okay. And also one thing, so when I'm doing the distinct count, it is showing the 200 records difference with the count of employees. But when I want to see those duplicates by putting count of star is greater than 1, having count of star is greater than 1, then it is showing only 3 employees only at that time actually.
When I want to see the duplicates. Without looking at the data where the duplication is and all that. So that I cannot. Okay. Any other last doubt, guys? Only 2 minutes left.
I show my screen.
Yeah, but make it fast. Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead.
This is my data of football. This is a home team and away team. There is the winning those home team goals and away team goals. There is no column of the winning section. Okay. So what we do in the Tableau, I apply lots of calculated tools, but I'm not getting any result.
No, wait. You have home team and away team, right?
Yes.
Then whichever is having more goals is the team that won, right?
Yes.
Then you can directly get them, right? I'm not getting your point.
I'm not getting that thing. Suppose which team is winning?
Okay. Now here it should be like if home team goals are greater than that of away team goals, right? Wait. I cannot. The time is up. Listen to what I'm saying. If home team goals, the calculation should be if home team goal is greater than that of away team goal, then give me home team name because that is where home team has won.
Okay.
If away team goals are greater than my home team goals, then give me away team. Then you will get all those in which away team has won. Now you got your output, right? Okay, guys. We are out of time. Any other doubt?
Hello, Rajeshwan. I have one thing. Yes, actually, I wanted to create filter or parameter so that that value takes from the user and it will display the data. It will check the data from the database and it will show the records. So, is it possible?
Wait. You based on whatever inputs the value into a parameter, you need to get the data of that and it should store somewhere.
Yes.
Store in the sense that should be visible to end user, right? That is what you're asking.
Yes, actually what happened at the customer level, so data is different to the multiple customers. So actually I wanted to create a filter or parameter. So that depends on the database. So I need to create a parameter that will be blank and it will take a value from the user and it will check with the database and then it will show the result.
Yeah, so for that, let me share my screen. Now this is your parameter. Now this is your parameter. Where someone is talking, type in. I'm removing this. This is the blank that you're talking about. Then your calculation will be parameter 2 is equal to custom apply. Okay. Now this, if you want, then if you want the whole dashboard to work according to that, then I will add that as a data source filter. Okay. Before adding this, actually we need to get the customer name. We need to get at least one customer name. Or let me do it at the sheet level so that will be comfortable. I'm bringing it sheet 15 here and bringing it. Right. And here I'm bringing customer name for now. Now we will not see anything. Now I'm moving into another sheet and bringing my customer name and here and this one. Okay.
Can you please show that calculation?
Nothing. Parameter is equal to. Please, you can please go through this recording. I don't know where that is. Please go through this recording that is present in the channel. Calculation 15. Please go through that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot. It's already late. Bye. Have a great day and great weekend. We'll again meet on Monday. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you. Have a good day.